Hi everybody, welcome back to 30 Days Until Done. You should know before I get started here that I'm going to use a vulgarism as we go through here because it's a title. We've been talking about art that's on walls and paintings and stuff. There's other kind of art we can be talking about as well, and that's art happenings, art events. And this is, by definition, has to be kind of, when you're talking about contemporary art, because it's hard to talk about art happenings in the past. There are a couple of good examples of art events from the past on YouTube, but it's kind of dead. It becomes passé because once a statement's been made, it's been made. One of the most interesting and most powerful sorts of art events that's been happening is by a Russian punk band named Pussy Riot. Okay, so that's the vulgarism, right? But of course, the vulgarism is the point. Pussy Riot has been protesting against Vladimir Putin, who's in many ways a very restrictive and very difficult, hard person. He's bringing back a lot of the old ways in Russia, and is a very hardline, very dangerous person, especially according to Pussy Riot. And so these are four women who have formed a punk band, and what they're trying to do, they're young women, and they try to put themselves in harm's way as much as possible and try to get arrested by the Russian government. And for the rest of the time, they spend a lot of time traveling around the world, kind of bringing light on what's happening in their country. I'm going to post a video down below. I don't like the music very much. It's all right. It's a pretty good example of punk rock, true punk rock. Not the corporate crap that you always say, right? But the true punk rock. But it's not my favorite genre of music. But the point of the music is to get you to watch the video. And the video, aside from the things that are clearly just meant to be staged, isn't staged, right? And so when you see them with the police, that's actually the police. And they go and they're protesting at the Olympics, and the police literally brought whips and just beat them because they were speaking out loud, right? And this was very, very severe restriction. And of course, it's the worst thing the police could have done, because now all of those people surrounding them had video cameras on them, and it was the easiest way for them to get their message out. And of course, if you're going to take protesting seriously, then the violence and you being hurt is the point. That's what you're going for, right? So it's to highlight the deprivation of the people on the other side, and even when you're not doing anything to them, you're just standing there, you're just saying something, and they think it's okay to then beat you for having an opinion. Okay, so we're going to write a little bit of poetry about Pussy Riot. You can use their name or not. I think Vladimir Putin could be used as a name. Look, why don't we try this one just straight free verse? Yesterday we did the Sestina. This one will be just a straight free verse poem. And okay, and when you get done, let's put it down below. Now, what could you write? What would I write about? I would write. I find their art much like OK Go. I find the art of the video much more interesting than their music. Right? Actually, I like OK music a little bit, but their videos are extraordinary. If you've never seen their videos, you have to see the videos. Even if you don't like popular music, you will like these videos. And maybe we'll do one in the future, I don't know. But if I were going to be writing this, I'd be writing about what it is that they've put on camera, how far they're going to, and what are the limitations of art, what are the gifts of art, right? And so now we have artists' social protest, and it's one of the things that art can do. It can highlight problems of the world. And we've got that because of Pussy Riot, we now have a discussion going about Vladimir Putin in this way, right? Of course, he was going to be talked about, but in this way, it's them. Just in the way that Banksy brings up things about social protest. Okay, so when you're done with that, post down below, and we'll see you tomorrow on 30 Days Until Then.